Hey traders, Derek here with Interactive Trader. Busy day in the market today, and a lot of things going on that are affecting the market. We are definitely seeing some strength in the market today, coming back after some lows last week, and the Boeing is kind of holding back the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's kind of why we don't put a whole lot of importance on the Dow, because it's only 30 companies, can be influenced by even one big company with some bad news. The S&P 500 today, on the other hand, was very strong. So was the NASDAQ, both very strong numbers looking at those. So we're seeing a nice bounce off a low. We're going to be heading back up to that $2,800 or point level on the S&P 500. So keep an eye on that. We've got some inflation news coming out this week, and Jerome Powell is going to be watching that along with the Federal Open Market Committee. And he is actually speaking, Jerome Powell is actually going to be speaking tonight, so that could affect the market in the upcoming days. Let's keep an eye on that. So, what else? Brexit, okay, the British exit from the European Union. Theresa May is speaking with some of the European Union leaders this week. Also, any news on China could also be affected or affect our markets. Let's keep an eye out and see what happens. Otherwise, keep an eye on your technical levels, keep your risk under control, and we'll talk to you soon.